You look so excited. What's the big news? Something special has happened? Oh, you won't believe it. Bait-Ul-Uloom just announced the 14th of August special offer. Really? What's so special about it? They're offering 2 amazing courses, English language and resin art, at a super discounted price just for Independence Day. Wow, that's perfect. I wanted to improve my English and also learn something creative. Exactly. And you know Bait-Ul-Uloom's teaching is top-notch. Once you join, you'll never regret it. Then I'm in. Let's both join and make this Independence Day even more productive. Deal. Learning and celebrating at the same time, nothing better than that.